Let's talk about how to remove your Muse hair extensions. Start by brushing out any knots there might be in the hair. Begin sectioning your hair from the base, the first extension piece that you would have put in. Use your Muse hair extension remover to fully saturate the tape. Be generous with how much you spray, you want it to be soaked. And don't forget to lift and spray underneath. Gently use your fingers to separate your hair from the extension piece. It's that simple. Our remover is not alcohol-based, but is oil-based. It contains citrus oil and is super hydrating for your scalp. I personally like to spray it all on there, leave it for 30 to 60 seconds so the spray does its magic, and then gently use my fingers to separate my hair from the tape. I've been wearing these for a year and haven't had any damage. So long as you follow all instructions and your installation and your prep and your removal is all done correctly, you shouldn't have any issues. Just like all other forms of semi-permanent hair extensions, if you take them out, there will be some hair. This is 100% natural hair fall. We lose anywhere from 50 to 100 hairs a day. So times that by how many weeks you've kept your hair extensions in, and there might be a few dead hairs here and there. If you feel like there is still some residue after you've taken out your Muse hair, you have two options. Firstly, you could spray some more of the Muse hair remover in your hair, massage it out that way, and then go ahead and do a double shampoo. Otherwise, I absolutely love drenching my hair in coconut oil, leaving it for an hour or two, and then shampooing it out.